Good day, boys and girls. This is Zaria Baxter, and today we are looking at map reading part 2, the map essentials. The objectives of our lesson for today is for you to be able to define the term map essentials and map symbols. Recall the elements of a map, state the meaning of different map symbols, identify areas on the map where map essentials are located, and develop a sense of appreciation for the use of maps. Now, boys and girls, let us look at what exactly are map essentials. These are elements of a map that are common to most maps, irrespective of the type of map that they are. These are title, key or legend, compass rose, grid, scale, and source. Let's look to our right to identify these essentials. Here we have the title of the map, and the title of this map is Presidential Election Results 2008. Here we have the legend or the key, and these color codes tell us exactly what these colors mean. So for the red, the areas in the red represents McCain for president, and the areas in the blue represents Obama. All right, persons who won in those states. Now, the orientation or the compass rose indicates where north is on the map. The scale represents the actual distance on the ground. The scale can be used to calculate between points on the map and actually enable the map reader to calculate the distance that it would be on the ground on Earth. The data source reveals information as to where the author of the map got his or her information from, and we can see that this was from an online source. All right, the mapped area is also indicated, the frame line that borders the map. Now, boys and girls, let us take a closer look at map essentials. The title of the map tells the person who is reading the map what the subject of the map is about, or the theme, actually what the map is about. And the title is most times at the top of the map, but not necessarily all the time. And it is usually in large fonts. Compared to the other worded aspects of the map, it's larger in font. Now, the legend or the key explains what the symbols and colors on the map mean. Now, what does the scale do? The scale can be used to calculate distance between places on the map, and that is, it represents the actual distance on the ground, on Earth, that is, for the area that the map is representing. So you can utilize the scale to know what distance between different points will be on the ground in real life. Now, boys and girls, we're still on map essentials, and we are down to the compass rose, source, and grid. Let us get into the uses of these essentials. The compass rose tells where north is on the map, and once you know where north is, you can locate south, west, and east. The source tells where the author of the map got his or her information, while the grid shows the lines of latitude and longitude, and these lines are used to locate places on the map. Okay, boys and girls, we're still on Map Essentials, and we are looking now at 8 Map Essentials. Here is our title on this map. As I said before, not all maps will show the title at the top of the page. Here is our line of longitude that was not on the previous map, and our line of latitude going across. What do you think these lines are for? What are their uses? The legend is right here. And by looking at the legend, you should be able to determine what the colors on the map means. This is the source where the author got his or her information from. That is located right now on the map. Here is the date of publication. Can you guess why this information is important? Here we have the scale of the map. What's it used for? And here is our compass rose or direction arrow. Why is this compass rose important? Answer those questions in your notebooks. We are now going to move into map symbols. Maps have symbols and they're normally found in the key of the map. Map symbols are rarely images that represent something, right? And every symbol that is found on the map has a meaning. Let's get into some. Whenever you see this symbol on a map, it means church. This symbol, representing a large H, means hospital. This symbol, the house, with this flag, this small flag on top, represents a school. This symbol represents a bridge. Now this symbol represents a railway. Now, boys and girls, whenever you see this symbol on a map, it's indicative of river or rivers, right? This symbol indicates that. Now this symbol represents a marsh or a swamp. Whenever you find it on a map, it's indicating that that area has a marsh or a swamp. Now this symbol represents a hurricane. We are down to homework at this time. What I want you to do for me, guys, is to draw a table similar to this one on my right in your notebooks and fill in the appropriate spaces with the symbol or meaning. For example, right here in this column, I'm seeing sugar cane. You are to place right here, draw the symbol that represents sugar cane on a map. Right here is mountain. You are required to draw the symbol that represents mountain on a map. Now here I have a symbol already. You are to place right here what the symbol represents. Likewise, I have a symbol here. You are to write the meaning of the symbol, what it represents here. All right? So go ahead and place either the symbol based on what you're seeing or the meaning in the tables that are blank. I also want you to research for me the 3 types of map scales that are found on a map. Write out the 3 types of map scales as well as what they are called. All right? And you have to place that in your notebooks as well. I know you can do this. All the best. Keep safe until we speak again. Students, this is where we say goodbye. I wish you all the best in your studies. Wash your hands. Remain safe until we speak again next time. Bye bye.